Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for the best 4K drones on AliExpress in 2026, then you're in the right place. Whether you want a beginner-friendly drone for aerial photography, a foldable travel drone, or an advanced GPS drone with stabilized 4K video, today's list has some amazing options. These drones come packed with features like brushless motors, GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance, AI tracking, long flight range, and high-resolution cameras for smooth aerial shots. So, without further ado, let's check out the top 5 best 4K drones on AliExpress 2026. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Number 1. Drone L900 Pro 4K Professional GPS Drone. Starting at number 1, we have the Drone L900 Pro 4K. This drone is one of the most popular budget-friendly GPS drones on AliExpress thanks to its combination of features and affordable price. It comes with dual HD cameras, brushless motors, and GPS-assisted flight for stable aerial photography. The foldable design makes it easy to carry while traveling, and the 1.2-kilometer control distance provides plenty of range for outdoor flying. The drone also supports intelligent flight modes like follow mode and automatic return-to-home functionality. For beginners and casual drone users, this drone offers impressive value. Pros: affordable 4K GPS drone, brushless motors for smoother flight, foldable portable design, long 1.2-kilometer control distance, stable GPS positioning system. Overall, the L900 Pro is an excellent starter drone for users who want 4K aerial footage and smart flight features without spending too much money. Number 2. K04 Mini Storage Drone. At number 2, we have the K04 Mini Folding Storage Drone. This compact drone is designed for portability and beginner-friendly flying. The lightweight folding design allows users to easily carry it in a backpack or even a small bag. It includes a high-definition aerial photography camera, altitude hold support, and simple controls that make it ideal for first-time drone pilots. Despite its small size, it still captures decent aerial footage for social media and casual outdoor shooting. The affordable price also makes it a great gift option. Pros: compact and lightweight design, easy to fly for beginners, foldable portable structure, budget-friendly price, good for casual aerial photography. If you want a small and affordable drone for fun flying and basic aerial photography, the K04 Mini drone is a solid beginner-friendly option. Number 3. Lenovo GT8 Drone 8K Professional GPS Drone. Coming in at number 3 is the Lenovo GT8 drone. This drone features dual cameras, GPS positioning, optical flow hovering, and brushless motors for stable flight performance. The foldable quadcopter design also makes transportation easy and convenient. The drone supports FPV real-time transmission, allowing users to view aerial footage directly from their smartphone. It also includes intelligent hovering technology for smoother and more controlled flights. With its sleek design and advanced flight features, this drone delivers a premium flying experience for hobby users. Pros: GPS-assisted stable flight, brushless motor performance, dual-camera aerial photography, optical flow hovering support, foldable portable design. The Lenovo GT8 is a great mid-range drone for users who want smooth flying performance and advanced features at a reasonable price. Number 4. Potensic Atom 2 Camera Drone. At number 4, we have the Potensic Atom 2 Camera Drone. This is easily one of the most advanced drones on today's list. It features 4K HDR video recording, 8K photo capture, a professional 3-axis gimbal, and AI-powered shooting modes. The drone weighs under 249 grams, which makes it easier to travel with in many regions. It also supports AI tracking, AI night shooting, vertical video recording, and an impressive 10-kilometer transmission range.
Thanks to the stabilized gimbal system, video footage looks incredibly smooth and cinematic. Pros: professional 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 4K HDR video and 8K photo support, under 249 grams lightweight design, AI tracking and night shooting modes, long 10-kilometer transmission range. If you want premium aerial video quality and advanced smart features, the Potensic Atom 2 camera drone is one of the best compact drones you can buy in 2026.
Number 5. Lenovo Z908 Pro/Max 8K drone. And finally, at number 5, we have the Lenovo Z908 Pro Max drone. This drone comes with a stylish foldable design and includes features like optical flow positioning, ESC stabilization, and 3-sided obstacle avoidance technology. The 4K camera system helps capture detailed aerial shots, while the obstacle avoidance sensors improve safety during flight. The drone also offers stable hovering performance and smooth remote controls for beginner and intermediate users. Its modern design and advanced flight assistance features make it a fun drone for outdoor flying. Pros: 3-sided obstacle avoidance system, foldable travel-friendly design, stable optical flow hovering, smooth ESC flight control, good beginner-friendly performance. The Lenovo Z908 Pro/Max is a solid drone for users looking for safe and stable flying with useful smart flight features at an affordable price. So that was our list of the top 5 best 4K drones on AliExpress 2026. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first drone or an aerial photography enthusiast wanting advanced camera features, these drones offer excellent value and performance for the price. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more awesome tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.